What is good? Welcome back to the channel. This is Exhausted Performance. I appreciate you guys tapping in from the bottom of my heart. EP fam, welcome back. You already know what time it is. What are we getting into today? Today, we hitting the tire store. A couple of them burners back there. You already know what that means. So, while we're at it, if you like the content, if you're rocking with the channel, do me a favor, guys, smack that subscribe button, smack that bell, because you know we got a lot more content coming your way all year long. And make this turn right quick. And if you're liking the videos and you're liking the content, smack that like button for me. Let's YouTube's algorithm know that you're rocking with the channel, and it makes everything gravy, baby. You already know. So, without further ado, let's tap into the tire shop.
They two of them things?
Yes, sir. They two of them things, man.
All right. I forgot the size of this stuff.
So 225, 60, 18.
25, 60.
Yeah, let me double check though. Yeah, it's 25, 60, 18. Appreciate you, brother. Yes, sir. This is like my second home right here. Tap in at the tire store. I'll make sure to put them in the description down below, because this place always takes care of you, boy. Let me tell you, it's not just about quality rubber. It also matters about customer service, man. How these people take care of you is going to play into a lot of your choice of where you go for tires, right? It's not always about the money and the best deal. This place always takes care of me. My boy Danny, look at that. I pulled up and he jumped out right on it. Asked me what size, what I need, what I'm rocking with. So, and that's every single time. So, you know, I really appreciate that. Man, usually the shop's super busy, so it's nice that they're open today, because that also makes a big difference where you go for tires. You got to wait for an hour to get a tire slapped on there, man. Come on. Nah, this is home right here. I'm gonna be honest with you, man. I'm gonna see if they want to sponsor me. You know how nice that would be to have a tire sponsor. I could kill tires on the channel on a regular basis for y'all. That'd be legit. All right, so let's let that be known that my boy Danny always takes care of me here at the tire shop. He only charged me for one tire. That's sheer solid as a rock, big dog. I appreciate you, man. Make sure y'all tap in over here. This is the plug for your tires. You know, we about to get it. You know we gonna get it out of the tire shop, baby. Yes, sir. All right, so now I gotta go get some gas real quick, and then we're gonna link up with my boy. So let's go. All right, we are back. Quick change of clothes and a little different scenery, and it's time to go kill some tires. Met up with my boy, so it's time to link up at the pit in Mexico, because that's where we're going. We've been there a couple of times, and if you are not new to the channel, then you may have seen the playlist. If not, I will put the link in the description down below so that you guys can tap in on that. But there's a whole playlist on this pit, and it's pretty legit. So I think that you guys will like it. So let's get there. Mexico. That's what that is. All right, y'all. We're back again, tapping in Mexico. My boy Corey over here. About to get it in the Stang. Do some Mustang things. Let's see what he got. Let's He's second gearing that for sure. So my boy said he gonna let me swing it around the Mustang, and I really do appreciate that, because you know there's a lot on the line here, but I'm putting it down for the channel. I'm trying to create more better content for y'all, and that means we got to do some wild shit like this sometimes. So let's go.